Yo,
Yo, what's up?
I'm good. Flip side.
Nah, me, I'm easy, bruh.
Already on the charts there.
I just logged in, bruh. I was busy playing GTA here, then this thing switched to Zoom.
You even have GTA.
Yeah, but you know how it
You're
is.
cruising. This thing is consolidating, man.
It's like it broke the structure, dog. Because if you look at this name, let me show you. I
On
was seeing
H4.
something. Okay, let me just start a new analysis.
Oh, this is H4.
Yeah, let me just use a
I
new
was
analysis.
I was looking at Ness. Man. Ness gave us like a nice sell, bruh. Yo,
It's selling. Yeah, it has to sell because gold is gonna sell too.
yeah, because I was waiting for you to break this other zone, then we'll continue selling. Because if
This was
not,
This was our low point, Nate. You said,
yeah, this thing is too nice, bruh.
yeah,
Look at the zones. 1, 2, 3.
yeah, very
Retest,
clear. There's nothing complicated here.
breakout, retest, up,
It's
comes
giving us
down.
perfect market structure.
Bruh,
Then
it
it
goes
broke
up,
this one.
break, retest, continues going up.
You see what happened here? Wait,
This, this thing is selling.
yeah, because we had a nice structure, market structure here. Then it broke out. It gave us a retest. It failed. Then it managed to sustain. Then it retested. When it was supposed to continue, it came out and broke.
But I feel like, yeah, you see the zone that it's going to there. You see, like that zone.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. If it doesn't break out, then it's like the next 101. I'm like if it doesn't break below, ne, like the basics. If it does, they expect buys.
You mean like if it fails here, then it's going to
Yeah,
break.
yeah, I expect it to go up there, even above that zone that it's coming from. The 19, is it 192? What?
This one,
That one. Yeah.
yeah, 192
If it
three.
feels, yeah, because if it feels, it's coming back up and hard. But for now, it's going down, bruh.
So you think it's going to test 1900? This one.
I feel that way, bruh. Because check, bruh, it's been.
Yeah,
If
I feel like
not, but
I
you
also
just wait.
you said
I'm saying, but you just wait. But I feel like this thing won't break below the 19. Is it 1900?
I can use that one as check profit number one.
You see, if it breaks below, because imagine if you took your sell after it broke out right now. You see, like they after it broke below that zone and that trend line at 19. Let's say you took your sell at, is it? I can't see, bruh. 1928.
Yeah, like right on the trend line. You mean here?
Yeah. So imagine if you took it, you'd be in deep blues right now. So now
Yeah,
you're
then
just waiting for it
stop
to go
loss.
down.
Your entry
Exactly.
would be here, then your stop loss would be down here.
So you let it run to 1900. If it breaks below your zone, bruh, you add more.
Yeah, you are right
But
there.
But me, I feel like I have like I have faith that this thing is going to bounce there at 1900,
They're
unless
most
their
likely to
fundamentals
do
change.
that. Most likely.
You see, hey, but because gold, ne, hey, because this thing has been going up. That's the thing.
On H4.
Imagine, look at this.
The
Hey, me,
gold
I
is
doubt it's
crazy.
gonna come.
Gold is
Eh?
crazy. You might find out that it will sell until a year on NFP. Remember, there's NFP. There's NFP this week.
Oh, there's NFP.
Yeah, it might
Hey, but
push
it's
it.
gonna be.
It might push it until like 1865 day. Let's see the daily. Nah, you are right,
Zoom
bro.
out.
I think like it's going to bounce. It's going to reject here. 1900.
It's the same as NS. NS is like that. That's what I'm thinking too. Even on S100, there's a zone that yeah, I know, like I don't pass there.
Yeah, it's 19.
I feel like it'd be too easy for the market, but for it to just be dropping all the way the whole week. Aye.
No ways. Because there's midweek reversals.
Yo, exactly. These niggas who control the market are fucked up. They don't want you
Market
to make money.
makers.
You think they let you make money easily, ne? Hey,
Nah,
but it been deep. Imagine
now
we executed.
you said
Imagine if we had executed an account there.
this is H1, which means it was supposed to be when. Now it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 a.m. 4 a.m.
Yo,
That's the end of towards the end of the Asian session there.
you see, then it starts pushing. Probably when you wake up there, you're gonna catch it too.
Problem is you might catch it, but then with a bad entry.
On a, yeah, there, then it pops you,
Yeah.
or it takes time.
I feel like there's only two things that affect people from achieving consistency, bruh.
What entry?
It's either bad entries or late exits or also risk management. Those three things, name. It's three things. Now I feel like that's what affect people from being consistent and stuff.
Yeah, because sometimes you really want more from the market, like
Yeah.
greed.
Niggas they forget their plan.
Me, I feel like when you start, me, I'm gonna have like my own thing there. Be like, if I make 10, I'm going out, no matter what.
You mean a trading plan?
Yeah, bruh.
Yeah.
Not this just trading like a crazy man. Yeah,
That thing is important, bruh. A man without a
but
plan.
it's like it gives you some discipline. Yeah, you know you can make 50, but make 10,
Yeah,
then you jump out. This is the market, bruh.
you can't make a million in one day. That's what people forget, bruh. Niggas want to make 1 million every day.
Unless if you have like money to play with, then I feel like maybe when you're stable, you can start going like hard there because you're not afraid of losing money.
Even though, dog, sometimes some risks are not worth it, dog.
You see, I bet money is money, bruh. I read this other thing. Like, imagine they're like, yeah, you have money. Let's say you're trading, you find like 20.
Yeah,
You have more than 20,000 in your account. You have like you can fund maybe 10 times the 20K, even if you blow, but the thing is the money is gone. What if
yeah.
you didn't deposit 20,000? You'll be 20,000 richer. Eh,
Money is important, bruh. They call it money management. People don't have money management, bruh.
Even if you have 3 M's, bruh, you deposit like an M, and it blows. The fact is, you'd be a meter rich.
Yeah,
Now you don't have. Now you went back down. Aye. Hey, bruh, just go to Nest there, bruh. And Nest is nice. Hey, there's this other candle I want you to see. Hey, hi. That one is hard.
Hey, when last did we do this analysis? It seems like we made money out here. You see,
That one where we caught it when we were supposed to be going up. Hi.
let me restart the analysis, bro. Wait, me, I don't like being confused. I want to understand what's going on. Let me start afresh here.
Yeah, this is that candle I'm talking about. Hey, this candle. Hey, and it went up, bruh. That means it didn't cross that zone. Shit. Yeah, we were gonna make money. Because I was gonna take my buy at
You wanted to buy?
1-1. Oh, you see there, that was going to be my buy.
Where?
Right there.
Where I'm drawing a zone.
Yo, I was going to execute buys and I had because I saw that sell. Then I found out that I was like, no ways. I was analyzing it. I'm like, this thing is not gonna break below. That's why I'm telling you the same thing about gold. Because he did exactly what I said. This thing failed to break, bruh.
Yeah.
And it pushed. What the fuck? Eh,
But
But
do you think
imagine
it's
if I
going
would
to
have
break
like,
currently? Because we
eh?
are in a zone now. This is an H4 zone. Do you think it's going to break out?
I just do it now. I'm not sure,
Because there's
but
this.
I feel go to
There's
H1.
look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now that's where we are.
I
Okay,
can't see
wait,
the
let me
can.
finish my analysis.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to say. Like finish first, then we can succeed. Hey, bruh, we would have made money, my brother. Eh. And I wanted to send you this analysis.
Me, I was going to execute, bruh.
Because yesterday Akiri was supposed to have a session.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me, I did it on my phone. That's the thing. You know the thing of trading view on my phone. Fast.
Or
I was
you have
like, let
trading
me
view
get.
on your phone.
Yeah, I just go to Google
Oh,
because you don't pay. Even you can use it on your phone.
yeah, my brother, I don't see this thing breaking out. Do you see what's happening here?
Because the trend line. And yeah, you're right.
This
Because
is
I
an
can see.
H4
I don't think
channel.
it's even gonna exactly.
We had 1, 2. This was supposed to be a third touch, but then it got supported by the zone since this was an area of confluence.
Again there.
Okay, there are chances that if it breaks out, then completely you are not expecting buys anymore. It will be like a breakout for sales because it's going to go down,
Maybe
then break the
even to the
trend
zone.
line, come back for a
To the
retest here, then drop again. That's what might happen if it breaks out here. But if it finds support, then we are continuing with the uptrend.
as I'm saying, now you just have to wait and
Yeah,
find your
waiting and
and find
see.
your nice entry and your confirmations, bruh. But
I am
imagine we
waiting,
executed
bruh.
here.
You see?
Imagine yesterday if we executed here, that zone I told you about.
Yeah.
Look at that candle.
Which one?
Uh-uh, uh-uh. Go down. This one, the one,
Which one?
that one.
This one.
Yeah.
When was this?
You see.
Let me check.
Oh, this is yesterday,
25.
isn't it?
25 January.
Right.
When was 25?
Hi. Now we're on the H4, ne? Now I'm
Yeah.
mixing them. 25 was last week. This candle there, okay, I think this one at the top. But I check what he did here. He broke that trend line of yours, ne? But it found like the zone there, then it dropped again.
No, you know why it broke out?
Yeah.
It's because of the thingy, bruh. Look at the back here. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, now let's go to H1. Sorry. Okay. It respected, yet you see this candle, this whole
Yeah.
rejection. But after it rejected, because of fundamentals, these are fundamentals, dog. Do you see these candles? The momentum here.
Yeah, the long ones.
Yeah, these are fundamentals. That's why even the trend, if you check on the trend, it's not going. Let's go back to how we drew the trend line. You see, with the trend, this was normal trends. Then these were
Yeah,
fundamentals.
yeah.
So it just got there to complete to the zone. Since like other niggas, you know, like the stock market guys, some will enter here expecting to dip here. So probably that's why it got pushed up to this price. Then
There were so
rejected.
many buyers.
Yeah. Volumes there.
Hey, this thing, but it's too nice. But this
But I feel
this
like
thing,
this thing is buying, dog. Let me tell you why. On H1 it's not clear. Let's try M30. Not
it is
clear
clear.
as
It's not
well. Let's
bad.
try M15. Okay. Look what I'm seeing. No, let me open a new chart so that I don't tape this analysis. Yeah, this is NASDAQ, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm confusing myself. Hold on. Okay. Here we are. This M5.
Is this M5?
Yeah. Like the chart, it's M5.
I see it.
We have this flag here. But let me do the M15, M30 analysis. This is scalping. Yeah.
I bet sometimes you find like patterns on M5 that gives you like a clear direction too
Yeah.
for the longer. But just that if when you're not used to using like smaller time frames,
It's hard. It wants when you scalp sometimes. I used to scalp this thing, dog.
in and out there.
Yeah, like 2 candles, 3 candles, then you're out. Yeah, this is what I see. If we go back to 15. Okay, wait, I switched to early. There's also this. Now these are technicals.
Yeah, yeah.
Instead of
1, 2.
retesting the trend line, it respected a zone. This. So it was a
And
retest of a zone. Then it continued the sell. Right? But then we approached another zone here, which is why I'm expecting bulls, dog. I'm expecting this thing to break out to the top side.
sometimes I feel like yeah, you see like on this thing, you see like those things you draw there, like those trend lines.
The M5 ones.
Yeah, I feel like those are the ones I'm gonna give you the direction. If it breaks below 1.
If it breaks below, then it means it's going to be like, let's go back to that other analysis.
But there's a
We
zone
were
there,
looking at
remember?
H1. If it breaks below, it means
Because
we're looking at an overall change of trend because it's going to have to disobey this law here. You see this law, this was a low, this was a high.
yeah,
So if it disrespects this, it means there is an overall change of trend. Now we're expecting it to break out the trend line here. Then
to
probably hope
go.
for a retest of this zone, this one here, where the current market price is.
There's a lot happening.
Yeah, that's what I see. But then
Maybe expect. I feel like I'm gonna expect.
whatever happens, I'm going to be ready for NASDAQ and gold. This is also another trend line, bro. Sorry, I didn't see this. We can have another one here.
An inner one.
Yeah. You can find out it was retested, dog.
An
And if
inner,
it
an
was
inner one.
retested, ne, that's an entry there. Let's switch to H1. It
Call
was
it an inner
retested. Do you see what's happening?
This thing is gonna continue to the downside.
Yeah. Broke out, retest. Let's see M15.
But let's wait for that zone to be like to confirm.
It did confirm. Look at this candle engulfing. This M15 though.
Yeah.
This is a time where you have to have like where you have to scalp. Open 10 lots here. Trade one candle.
Make your
Because
dough
this
in
is
peace.
going to leave a week, then draw to the downside. It's 25 past, which means this is like the second candle, the second M15 candle of the hour. We still have 2 more to go.
Hey, hi. We need account stock.
A prop firm there. Get FTMO, they will fund you $1 million. Bro, I'm telling you, this thing is going to drop hard, dog. It's gathering momentum, like too much of it.
Zoom out there again. Again. Yeah. Bro, look at imagine it gives us like that candle, bro.
Which one?
Up, go up. The one that rejected.
This one?
Nah.
Here.
Look at that candle, my brother. And this thing has momentum. It's been dropping, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it's gathering more. Because if you look at what
And
happened with gold, right? Wait, check at gold. I'm looking at gold on my phone here. Let's check gold. Is this the one we analyzed? No, it's not. Okay, this, look.
this thing's still dropping, eh?
Yeah, because we were analyzing on 1915. We were on 1915. We dropped $2 now. But then with gold, my entry is going to be, I'm going to see the price action here at 1899 or 1900. That's when I'm going to find an entry. For now, I'm just going to let it ride there.
Because there's no entry here, bro, unless if you want a pop account.
Yeah, because you
That's
don't
what
have any confirmation.
you mean.
Yeah, there's
Just
no reason to
selling
buy
there
or
or
sell or do whatever.
I bet this thing can just change and go up, bro, because you know these minor zones.
Yeah, this one. That's what I'm thinking too. Like this
Yeah, there's a minor zone there that I see.
right here.
Yeah.
But
So it might
I'm not trading gold. I don't have anything. No reason to trade for me. Let's look at
not
ES30. Wait, we're looking at what Nasdaq, ne? Yeah, we're on Nasdaq. You see, I feel like this thing is going to drop, but let's give it time. Let's wait on it. This is the analysis we have.
me to be on the safe side, ne? I'd wait for that zone, bro.
Yeah, wait for the price action. Probably by the time the New York open there, because it's 9 a.m. now. We still have
Because it
time.
gave us in bar breakout
It broke out.
under the trend line. Eh?
Did it break out?
Like a breakout, yeah, breakout of the trend line.
This was
That's like the second.
this was an engulfing though, and it happened on a trend line, which makes it a proper retest because of this week. You see this week.
Hence, I'm saying that we have like two confirmations. I would wait for it to come like the price section to go below that zone. That's my third. From there, I whip.
Yeah.
That's how
I
it
feel like
comes.
it's 29 past now. Let's wait and see the next M15 candle. Let's see how this one closes. Hey, time flies, ne?
Ah, you play you.
Very soon it was 23 past, now it's 29 past. What? Yeah, that's
Next week
crazy.
will be Next week will be 40 day.
Hey, bruh. When I turn 40, I'll be whipping those kind of trades like that nigga who broke the record, the trading record. What's his name again?
I forgot that nigga. That one who made billions for the hedge funds.
Yeah.
That's hedge funds, but hedge funds, hedge funds want you when you're inside there, when you know people inside. Wall Street niggas.
Hedge funds, it only works with your rep because like basically it's a matter of like do people trust you enough to invest their billions with you?
And if they do, and you market yourself nicely, aye, it's like that nigga, the Wolf of Wall Street. There.
Yeah.
Doesn't judge me on my wins. Judge me on how many I haven't lost. I'm like, what the fuck?
It's because he never loses.
Eh.
But bro, it's hard to lose when you have capital, dog.
Yeah, and if you have the knowledge, unlike a nigga who's just like a chance taker.
Because if you have capital, bruh, imagine your account is sitting on 1 million there. How do you pop?
If you put that's what I'm
I
saying, if
feel
you put
like
picture, just a chance taker.
I feel like things like risk management and own they are made for people with money. Because without money, my brother, there's no way you can practice risk management. Imagine like the only money you have in your life is $1,000, name. That's all the money you've had in your life. Like that's the most you've ever touched. Now you get in, you see a setup, a nice one. Are you telling me that you're going to open 0.10? No ways, but I would whip one lot, dog.
Because you're scared.
No, not because you're scared, because you wish to get more. Now you have that. There's always that good feeling when you starting to touch money, bro. Now you feel like you're invincible.
Oh,
Because dog risk
money though.
management, the honest truth is, if you have money, you have 1 million there, you decide, let me invest 100,000 in trading. That's when you can practice risk management. Because you know
Yeah.
if it happens that you need to pay for something, you have the extra money there. If it's all the money you have, bruh, you know, hey, if I don't multiply this money, I'm not going to make my bills at the end of the month. Aye, there's no way you're going to practice risk management, bruh.
You're living hard now.
Yeah, hard and fast, trying to make everything today.
That's when you pop accounts there. Aye.
It's always like that because usually because of the pressure and stuff, excitement, you don't analyze well, you don't do what you're supposed to do.
For you, is that thing of like, I just need to make this dough
Nah,
and pay my bills.
me, I feel like risk management, man, it was not meant for me, dog. I'd rather blow an account than make less, dog. I'll find again.
Yeah, you see, when you have dough, it only wants when you have dough.
Cause bro, imagine, dog. You take 2 hours analyzing day, 2 good hours, then you come out with $100. So why are you suffering?
Or $40 there.
Imagine.
Aye, you need to go in hard, but I need to make a double.
That $40 or $100, it can't even pay for your Wi-Fi that you used that day because you have YouTube checking fundamentals, checking strategies. Aye.
Everything.
Hey, this thing is left with 10 minutes.
Time is flying.
Nah, we'll restart it there if it ends. I feel like the New York session is going to be crazy because I feel like that's where we're going to get all these breakouts. NASDAQ, US 30, gold.
This week niggas are preparing for NFP.
Let me check the daily chart of Bitcoin. Hey, but Bitcoin is still going up, dog. Since that time.
It's on a zone day.
You see these kinds of analysis, man. I feel like that's what we need to do with stocks, dog. Like when you're trading Airport, Tesla, those kind of things. The way we
And
analyze
they put
Bitcoin here, because it's been working. This is a daily chart. Like since that day, we never lost. We only had one bad day. This was like close to the market entry.
and now it's on its own to draw a trend
Yeah.
line there.
But then now we have leverage. You could have put your stop loss here. Okay, let's say down here.
And
Because
nice.
these are profits.
You'd be done, but you've been holding, right?
Yeah. Stop loss here,
Sitting on it.
20610.62. Then you hold. Because my expectation that time was like until what? Wait, I remember. I have that price. We used 1 week. Yeah, this was my expectation.
Half a day.
31,877. Yeah, because that time we won 16,000, I remember. We wanted it to double in value. Yeah, we won 16. Exactly this. Let's check the zone. I think we used H4. Yeah, this one. Exactly, we won 16,000. I remember very well.
Bruh, you'd be on an M there if you funded hard.
Bruh, this is why I need a prop firm account, bruh. This thing of trading small accounts is not okay. Imagine how much money you could have made from this trade.
100K there, you fund.
1 million, you have an 1 million account from FTMO, you go in there.
You can walk out with 10 there, right?
Yeah, a nice 10 million. They take their 30%, you keep 70%.
You have like 6 M's or 7.
Yeah. Chilling there, nice. And with those people, the nice thing is they keep funding you. You never trade your money. Your money is for your life.
We should open those things, bruh. Pay for those things.
My only problem is sometimes they play around, bro. Look what happened with that account that I got that time. We never made money from it. I feel like you need to have like a proper research there. Find the one that doesn't play around.
One that pays you.
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing is still going to push, bruh.
Let's look at US30. We have 6 minutes there.
I haven't checked this thing, bruh.
I don't even remember what we were looking for here, dog. Let me just restart. This thing of staying away from the market for too long, man. It's not right, dog.
You even forget things here.
Bruh, you even forget what you were looking for. Probably whatever you were looking for happened now, but now you don't remember.
Should be an everyday thing.
Nah, but I feel like I'm never going to get in a state where I will rely like fully on Forex, bro.
Bruh, I'm not even that type of guy, bruh.
Sometimes I just want to move around, bruh. See things there.
Me wanna be in the business, but in the business world, make moves there, literally.
Yeah.
I want Forex to
Time
be the
trading,
thing of
you end up only knowing things that are happening on TikTok there, nothing else.
like a nigga like Yaga. Now he's just doing this because of his free time and because he has the funds.
Yeah.
Basically, you're just diverse. There on a Sunday or on a chilled Monday, there you have no work. You hop on MT4.
Yeah, because you're free, not because you have to go on MT4.
Yeah, not because you have bills. Even though you lose the dough, it's fine.
It's supposed to be like a hobby or something. Hey, do you see this? This thing is selling hard, bro. This is the third touch. 1, 2,
Two.
3. And it respected the zone. Yeah, I see waves, bruh. This week, ne. Do you see?
On the
1,
downside,
2, breakout,
and I
retest,
don't think
retesting now.
I don't think I don't think it's even gonna go to that zone again.
We just found ourselves a trade, bruh. Sell US30, take profit. Let's analyze the take profit.
There, that zone, your first one, unless if you wanna have like TP1 and TP2.
Let me send this signal in a group. That group of hours, they
Stop loss, and I can see the price action for this.
stop loss. I normally don't like sending a stop loss. A person will adjust their stop loss according to their balance.
My phone is charging. I won't even see anything.
The phone is charging.
When I'm on Zoom, I put my phone. My hand will call me. She'll be like, "Talk to me."
Hey, mine was tripping, but she's like, why do you always have to go trading when we have to be talking? I'm like, hey,
I don't understand these people.
like, what do you want from me?
She wants to go only. Doesn't how you get it.
They think you just wake up money, didn't it? You just wake up with money in your bank day.
Tomorrow they'll tell you, I want what.
They'll be like, let's go have a breakfast date, a coffee date day. They think you just wake up with money for coffee.
Especially my man will tell you, yeah, we need to go on a date. That's when you know, like, yeah.
What's the stop loss here? Let me use this number. But I don't really like giving out a stop loss, bro. This is the last high, right?
Yeah, that one. That's why I said 30 something. I can do 30.
Yeah, 33781. Yeah, I send
The
it
down.
out there. Yeah, this at least we got a trade, bruh. US30.
Imagine if you had she developed 1,000 a day to trade. High
Ne,
dollars there.
1,000 years. Yeah, you would be gone. Because with this US30, I'm sure like you could flip that account to like 5 or 6.
Should have left a K there
Yeah.
to play around. Me, I wanna hop on VIX too.
On VIX.
Yeah. Me, I'd hop on that niggas like signals for VIX, bruh.
Yeah. Buzz.
Buzz. Buzz I trust, bruh. Not that yeah, that one. I'd like to learn like how the fuck do you get this analysis?
Yeah, he whips that nigga. I respect.
But from 2 to 20,
Imagine.
time you can